In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads from contacts to leads in Pipedrive. Before we jump into Pipedrive, there's one important thing you need to have ready. Your contact data must already be exported into a file. This is usually a CSV or spreadsheet file that contains the contact information you want to convert into leads. If you haven't done that yet, pause here and export your contacts from your previous system or from wherever your data is stored and save that file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated imports folder. Once your file is ready, open Pipedrive and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find and click the Leads icon. This will take you straight into the Leads section, which is exactly where we want the imported contacts to end up. Inside the Leads view, look towards the top right area of the screen for the three dots icon, often labeled as More. Go ahead and click that, then select Import Data from the drop-down menu. This will open Pipedrive's import workflow. You'll first land on a screen called File Info. On this page, Pipedrive is mainly confirming that you're importing from a file, so you usually don't need to change anything here. Simply click Next to move forward. Now you'll see the option to upload your file. You can either click to browse and select your exported contacts file, or drag and drop it directly into the upload area. Once the file is attached, Pipedrive will quickly scan it. After the file is processed, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm that you want to continue with the import. Click Continue with Import, and then click Next to proceed. The next stage is where you map the fields. This part is very important for clean data. Pipedrive will show columns from your file on one side and Pipedrive fields on the other. Go through each one and make sure, for example, that name columns are mapped to person name fields, email columns to email fields, phone numbers to phone fields, and so on. Adjust anything that doesn't match correctly. When you're happy with the mapping, click Next to see a preview of how your data will look once imported. Take a moment here to double-check that the information appears in the right place. If everything looks correct, click Start Import. Pipedrive may show a few additional prompts or confirmations, so just follow whatever appears on screen. Once the import finishes, your former contacts will now be available as leads in the Leads section, ready for you and your team to work with.